want to foul, so let's see how it unfolds.
LeBron has 9 of the last 12 Laker points. LeBron, underneath the Rajon, what is he doing?
See, he had
under LeBron, the rainbow.
Loose ball foul. But see, that's what I'm talking about. Rondo,
point,
if he shoots, do they work? Are they going to be trying to look for the three, which uses up a ton of time? You know the Spurs are going to not want to foul, so let's see how it unfolds.
LeBron has 9 of the last 12 Laker points. LeBron, underneath the Rajon, what is he doing?
See, he had
under LeBron, the rainbow.
Loose ball foul. But see, that's what I'm talking about. Rondo,
point,
if he shoots the layup, now we can foul and make them make 2
That's
free
what I'm
throws.
thinking. Take the quick 2.
Yeah.
You still had about 10 seconds left.
Yeah.
That's the only reason why I was questioning it. He was thinking, let's go the 3, but I think they're discussing it maybe.
I mean, right under the basket,
wide
shoot
open.
the layup.
I mean, there was time.
See, this just uses up clock. And the rebound.